Welcome to Alvian House, your go-to channel for mindful living, beautiful interiors, and peaceful home transformations. Today, we'll guide you through a step-by-step journey to turn household chaos into a haven of calm, one room at a time. Whether you're overwhelmed by clutter or simply looking to refresh your space, this video is here to help. The entryway is your home's first impression, both for guests and for you. A cluttered entry can create subconscious stress every time you walk in the door. Start by clearing shoes, coats, and bags that tend to pile up. Install hooks or a wall-mounted rack for bags and keys. Add a bench with hidden storage to keep shoes out of sight. A slim console table with a small dish for keys can also work wonders. Use baskets for seasonal accessories like scarves or umbrellas. Finish with a small rug and a mirror to make the space feel bigger and brighter. This small zone sets the tone for the entire home. The living room should be a space for relaxation, not chaos. Start by removing anything that doesn't belong. Dirty cups, papers, or scattered toys. Use multifunctional furniture like ottomans with storage or side tables with drawers. Categorize items like remote controls, books, and blankets into bins or baskets. Keep surfaces mostly clear and limit decorative items to a few favorites. If you have open shelves, group items by color or category to create a cohesive visual. Label storage containers if needed. Most importantly, ensure that every item in the room has a designated place. The kitchen can quickly become overwhelming without proper systems. Begin by decluttering drawers and cabinets. Get rid of expired food, duplicate utensils, and anything you haven't used in a year. Use drawer organizers to separate tools by type. Install a spice rack and group pantry items in clear, labeled containers. Keep your countertops as bare as possible. Store bulky appliances you don't use daily. Inside cabinets, add shelf risers or pull-out drawers for better access. Create zones, a coffee corner, baking station, or prep area so you know where everything belongs. This makes cooking feel efficient and enjoyable. Bathrooms may be small, but they gather clutter fast. Start by tossing expired products, empty bottles, and unused items. Use vertical space. Add shelves above the toilet or inside the shower. Store daily essentials in trays or baskets under the sink. Drawer dividers are great for makeup, brushes, and hygiene tools. Hang hooks or towel bars for extra towels. Clear acrylic bins make it easy to see and access your items. To maintain a spa-like atmosphere, limit the number of products on display and stick to a neutral color scheme. A scented candle or small plant adds a peaceful finishing touch. Your bedroom should be your most peaceful space. Begin by removing anything that doesn't belong: laundry, dishes, or paperwork. Use under-bed storage for off-season clothing or extra linens. Declutter nightstands, keeping only essentials like a lamp, a book, or a sleep mask. Organize your closet by type and color. Use matching hangers and labeled bins for accessories. If you have a dresser, use drawer dividers for socks, underwear, and small items. Add soft lighting, calming scents, and cozy textures to promote rest. A tidy bedroom enhances sleep and mental clarity. Whether it's a full room or a corner desk, your workspace needs to encourage focus. Start by removing distractions. Non-work-related clutter can impact productivity. Use cable organizers to tame wires. Add a small filing cabinet or a set of drawers to sort papers, tech accessories, and supplies. Use vertical organizers or pegboards to free up desk space. Label everything and stick to a minimalist aesthetic to reduce visual overwhelm. Display a single inspiring quote or calming artwork to personalize the space without making it feel busy. These hidden spaces often become dumping grounds. Take everything out and sort it into keep, donate, and toss piles. Use uniform bins with clear labels to keep things categorized. Install vertical shelving to maximize space. Group seasonal items together and store them in hard-to-reach spots. For closets, consider a hanging organizer for shoes and accessories. In utility rooms, wall-mounted racks can store brooms, mops, and cleaning supplies. These spaces might not be seen daily, but having them organized creates an unseen ripple effect of peace throughout the home. Now that every room is organized, it's time to maintain the peace. Implement daily and weekly routines. Spend 10 minutes each night doing a reset where you put everything back in its place. Use a weekly cleaning checklist tailored to your home's needs. Once a month, reassess one area to see if it's still working. Decluttering isn't a one-time task. It's a lifestyle shift. Create a home that supports who you are and how you live. And finally, if this video helped you feel a little more at peace, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more mindful home inspiration, and share it with someone who might need a little calm in their life. Thanks for watching Viana Home. Feeling overwhelmed by the mess? Discover how to bring peace and clarity into your home, one room at a time. In this guide, we'll walk you through detailed practical steps to declutter and organize each area of your home, from the entryway to your bedroom and beyond. You'll learn how to create calm through intentional design, smart storage, and simple habits. Whether you're starting small or ready for a full transformation, this video is your roadmap to a more peaceful space.